How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So it goes without saying that apps become vital to use an iPhone. Without apps, you cannot feel there's anything that you literally can use on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Now this is where the problem comes. A lot of people are saying that their iPhone 7 and 7 Plus are not being able to download application. Even if they can download the application, that doesn't really work at all. Now, this problem mainly happens for a few different reasons. First, can happen for faulty apps. Second of all, can happen for storage issues. Third of all, can happen for internet issues, Apple ID, or can happen for software issues. Now, to solve this problem, the very first things you just want to go ahead and check is your internet. You simply can open up your browser and then you can visit any website that you want in order to check that your internet is working completely fine or not. If you see that it is taking too much of your time to load up, then you simply can do one work to solve it. You simply can swipe up from the down and then turn on your airplane mode, wait around a bit, and then simply turn it back off. Afterwards, simply go ahead and check whether you're being able to solve your problem on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Well, the next things we're going to talk about is the App Store setting from your cellular. Now, you can tap your settings, then you can open up your cellular option. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to see this option called your App Store. Now make sure to toggle on your App Store from here if you especially want to download any apps by using your cellular. Once you have done that, now simply try to open up your App Store and try to download any application as possible to check whether it is working or not. Even afterward, if you're still unable to just download any application on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the next things you gotta do, you need to turn off the VPN, because VPN sometimes cause this issue. So of course you can tap your settings and then you can check your VPN from here. But if you don't find your VPN option from here, you can go to your general and then you can scroll down here, and then you're going to see this option called VPN and device management. Go ahead and open it up. If you see it's connected, you simply can turn these features off, or you simply can turn off the status from here in order to solve your problem. After checking your VPN, now let's go ahead and talk about another way of solving your issue, which is fixing your billing address. Well, if your billing address is faulty, then this issue literally can happen on your iPhone, okay? Now all you guys can do, you can double check it. You can tap your settings, tap on your name banner, scroll down, tap media and purchases, tap view account. Now you're gonna see this option right away. Now enter your Apple ID password here. Well, once you're here, just go ahead and tap manage payment, and then you're gonna get your billing address in here. Now go ahead and tap right here in order to check everything is alright or not, okay? Now any information is here. If it's incorrect, then sorry to say you won't be able to download any application on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Now after you have checked your billing address, if you're still having the same problem, that could mean that there's something going wrong with your storage. Well, keep that in mind. We have a dedicated video about that on how you can fix your storage problem. We will give the video link in the description below. Well, after checking your storage, let's say if everything is going fine, then lastly, all you guys can do, you simply can log out your Apple ID and simply log it back on to fix your problem. Okay, sometimes your Apple ID can cause this issue. Logging in and logging out can help you solve your problem. Alright guys, so these are the things you guys can do on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus in order to solve your apps is not downloading on your iPhone. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you all later.